Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make a group chat on Snapchat. It is very simple. It doesn't take much time at all. So if you do enjoy the content, make sure to like and subscribe. But let's go ahead and get started. So all you want to do is head over to Snapchat and then swipe over to where you can see all of your people you've been talking to. You want to go ahead and select the blue icon in the bottom right corner. Once you have done this, you can select new group at the very top of the screen. So go ahead and select that. You can go ahead and then change the name to whatever you like. Once you have fixed the name, you can select done and then pick all the people that you want in this group chat. You can select up to 100 people in this group, but once you've selected all the people that you want, you can go ahead and select chat at the very bottom of the screen. It will then create the group chat and it'll be placed back on. Let me get rid of the screen. It'll be placed back on this page right here. And that's how you do that. So I hope this video did help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. I just want to say thank you for watching to the very end, and I will see you in the next one.